Mr. Akshay, first of all, introduce yourself.
Morning, sir. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Akshay Bagal. I am from Satara, Maharashtra. I am pursuing my graduation in 2018 from APP College, Satara, and currently I am pursuing BIM as a BIM intern from Unique Civil Academy, where I am learning BIM process, which including AutoCAD, Revit, Navisworks, Tekla, and all software. My goal is to become a successful BIM engineer.
Very good. Difference between .rcp file format and .rcs file format.
RCP format and RCP format means point cloud format, and RCP format means scan to BIM format and
Okay,
point
Nosh.
cloud format.
What are the file formats in Revit?
For format in Revit, Revit project template, Revit project file, Revit family template.
Okay. And what do you understand by LOD 400?
LOD 400, LOD 400 means uh, documentation and
Okay, no issue. What do you understand by 60?
60 it is tends to uh, certificate of building, which is including
It's okay. थोड़ा बहुत भूल गए हो. Just revise that action, okay? अभी
yes,
इसीलिए मैंने मॉक किया
okay,
कि देखो भूलता कितना जल्दी अगर वो प्रैक्टिस में नहीं रहता, ठीक है? तो डू रिवीजन सो दैट कि यू कैन परफॉर्म नेक्स्ट टाइम बेटर, ठीक है? कोई बात नहीं, ट्राई किया तुमने, दैट्स नाइस, ठीक है? ओके, चलिए मिस्टर रोहित.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Rohit, tell me something about yourself which is not mentioned in your resume.
I not mentioned that my hobby not mentioned in my resume, sir.
Your hobby is not mentioned in your resume. What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket, sir.
Playing cricket. Okay. Why you not mention that in resume?
I can I just remember not, sir. That.
Achha. Any other hobby you mention in your resume?
No, sir.
Okay. What's your strength?
My strength is uh, how to. My strength is uh, my strength is my family, sir.
What's your weakness?
My weakness is I am a overthinking person.
Okay. Why should we hire you?
Uh, because I am dedicated to the my company. Uh, I am a very intellectual person.
लग रहा है ना कि गड़बड़ आंसर कर रहा हूँ.
Yes.
What is the project in your college?
My project in college is rainwater harvesting.
Explain about that project. What are the things you done in that?
Uh, in this project, the I do the model of my the college building that rain in comes to that I store the rain in a building ground, and it can use in whole year.
How you calculate how much rain will come?
That not calculated.
Without calculation. So how you think how much storage we can offer for that area?
The, I calculate the whole college area, then uh, uh, how to rain observe the all college in 1 year. Then
No, how you know how much storage I require? No idea
that,
for that.
no,
No?
no, sir.
Just you just make your what was the size of that harvester size?
Yes, sir.
Size. What was the size you take for the rainwater harvesting? कुछ कैलकुलेट किया होगा ना एरिया कितने में इतने का पर टैंक बनाऊंगा.
Not even remember, sir.
Okay, what's your pass out year?
Diploma pass out year 2018, sir.
And degree?
Degree pursuing current.
Pursue current. Okay, when you will complete?
2025 June.
June
May.
this year means this June you will complete that. Okay, so what is in this degree your project?
Not decided, sir. This next month will be decided.
So try to take your model with BIM so that you are learning the BIM, just applying that.
Okay, sir.
Where you want to see yourself in upcoming 3 years, Mr. Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Where you want to see yourself in next 3 years?
I am a complete BIM modeler, sir, in a BIM industry.
Okay. थैंक यू सो मच रोहित. अभी खुद से पूछना कि मैं कहाँ कहाँ गड़बड़ हो दिखता होगा है ना, तो उसमें ना उन पे वर्क करना. आगे
Yes, sir.
कुछ मत तैयार करो, बस उन्हीं पे वर्क करना.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, जैसे स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस, आगे सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने गलत किए, हॉबी. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा इन पे वर्क अच्छे से करोगे मजा आएगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Now next is Lydia. Lydia ready? And after Lydia will come with Mr.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ji. Arka Bhattacharya, you should be ready. So, Lydia, how many lectures you watch in Revit architecture till now?
16, sir.
16 lectures. What is the use of camera in Revit architecture?
In Revit architecture, camera can be used as a call-out equipment and also for rendering and to get a good view. If you are not using a camera for rendering, we won't get a perfect outcome.
What is
Rendering, we are using the materials in a model. When we are not rendering that product, it won't look realistic. To get a realistic 3D output, we need to render the model.
Good. And
We use a software for that. Here we are using Enscape.
okay. And what is the use of call out in that?
Callout is used to get a detailed information about a specific area. For example, a room. Usually we can use it as a interior decoration purposes. So we can get a detailed information about a small area.
Great. And what is the use of view range?
View range is used for visibility. It's a different planes. We can adjust in which levels we need the visibility. So like
Yes.
if you are setting a visibility range, we can get, if it is above, you won't be able to see the window. So we have to keep it, the cut level should be kept below the lintel level so that the visibility of the window also will be available. So that's the purpose of view range.
Excellent. Very nice. And how to import scan to BIM file in Revit?
For to import scan to BIM file in Revit, in the beginning we have to set it for default metric. According to the units, we have to open a new Revit file. After that, we have to go to manage links. There we have to click on point cloud, and we'll go to the file where we are kept our point cloud file. We have to add that. While adding, we have to suggest the positioning also. Otherwise, the origin will be dislocated. So after that, we can add it. That's how we add point cloud in a Revit file.
What do you understand by scan to beam?
Pardon, sir?
What do you understand by scan to beam?
What is the use?
What do you understand by scan to beam?
Okay, scan to BIM
Yes.
is a process in which right now we are using it for renovation purposes, where the model or the structure is not accessible. So we'll take a scan using a laser scanning machine, and in that we'll get a data with lots of point clouds.
Great.
So it's for remote purposes. If you can go to that place directly, it will be a little more easier, but it's a remote project. So the scanner will provide us the exact data about the existing structure, and in that way we can redo the model in our Revit system.
Very. Thank you so much, Lydia. This is nice job with you. Good. Keep it up.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now next is Mr. Arka Bhattacharya, and after Bhattacharya will come with Mr. Anup Kumar, and then see you. Arka ready? बाहर हो क्या आपका?
हाँ
अच्छा. Ready for the mock और बाद में करूँ mock?
after 1 word I
चलो तो रेडी हो जाओ, मैसेज करो. चलो तब तक हम लोग चलते हैं मिस्टर अनूप कुमार के पास. मिस्टर अनूप कुमार, then शिवम चतुर्वेदी जी. अनूप रेडी?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning जी. Anup was your pass out year?
2022, sir.
2022. From there to till now, what are the things you do?
After 2022, actually I passed in August 2022. But before I have joined ARC Document Solutions as an intern. After passing out, I am permanent in that company. After that, I continue till now.
Okay. And introduce yourself.
First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anup Kumar. I am from Bihar. Currently, I am in Kolkata for doing the jobs. I have done my BTech from Technoman Salt Lake, Kolkata in the year 2022 with 8.72 CGPA. My hobby is playing football and sometimes doing yoga also for fitness of my health. And my short-term goal is to get the job in a reputed company like you, and my long-term goal is to get good positions where I can achieve my goal and also helps the company to grow, and try to increase my career, try to further increase my career in automate some commands. For that, I am currently doing PGDCA, that is the Post Graduation Diploma in Computer Applications, where I can learn C++ and Java also. That's all about myself.
And why should we hire you, Mr. Anup?
Yes, actually I have also do the internship from the Unique Civil, and where I can learn many things like elevations, sections, and making architectures 3D architectures, which is very helpful in the BIM industry. Like your company is also working on it, and I am already ready for it, ready for doing work on the first day in the live projects. That's why I think I am good or fit for your company.
Okay. Mr. Anup, what are the things you know in Revit?
Revit, I can do the 3D modeling section. I can do the family. I can make the family according to the projects, or I can make the different types of.
Okay. Chalo. What's your salary expectations, Mr. Anup?
The salary expectations is not my first priority, but I want such salary from which I can survive in the place where I can join the company.
Okay. What are the file formats of Revit?
There are the file formats of Revit: RVT, R. Sorry, sir, I am not recall right now.
And what is the use of recap software?
Recap software is generally used to see the blur, recap software is generally used to see the image of complicated photographs of laser scanning, or the photographs which taken from the laser scanning machines. And we also get from recap, we also get overall ideas, or the overall ideas to make the plan, to make the 3D plan that provided from the customer.
Okay. Thank you so much, Anup. This was nice to talk with you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, ji. And Mr. Shivam Chaturvedi ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ji. Shivam Chaturvedi ji, what is the use of recap software and what are the tools we can use in recap software?
Sir, in recap software is basically used for a purpose of rebuilding the structures which are currently existing in site. So we can remodel it on with the help of recap on a Revit. And the second one is we can see the detailing of the existing building on the recap. So it gives the details of building. And second question, sir, can you repeat, sir? Sorry
I
for
said, what are the tools in which in that we can use? Means like in Revit we can use camera and things. So what are the things we can use in that?
Sir, in we have view plane in which we can cut the different planes, like in vertical plane or in horizontal plane, so that we can easily see the sectional view of the building or the front view of. So this particular option is basically for viewing the particular part of the building. Then the second one is we can have its colors adjustment, so that in multiple options we can make normal color or in a thematic color. So by help of these different colors, we can betterly understand the different types of the elements or the furniture placed in the structure. And the third one is a circular cloud is there at the scan location of particular scanner place at the particular place, so that we see the cloud. So by clicking that particular cloud, we can see its detailed, or if we have the color scan, so it also shows the colored view of that particular view from that particular point.
Okay. And Mr. Shivam, why you want to make your career in BIM industry?
Sir, actually, sir, I just wanted to as a BIM engineer, because I have my master's in construction technology and management, and basically I am from past. I have academic background, so I just wanted to do apply my knowledge of academic and my managerial skills to this particular field. So the BIM field give me to make structures, and those structures can directly I can see on ground. So that's why I just wanted to join the BIM sector.
Okay. How your old experience is useful for us, or previous experience useful for us?
Sir, in last I work as an assistant professor in engineering college. So I taught basically the engineers and architects over there. So I have the vast knowledge and of the different fields which are working in the engineering discipline. So by my that particular multidisciplinary knowledge, I can easily apply and can understand the various points and the requirements of the projects. Just like if we need a certain materials at the stage of any construction project. So I just recall that the different types of material. So that is particularly from my last experience.
Okay. Mr. Shivam, what is the use of underlay options in Revit?
So sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay, sure. And how to create layers in wall?
Sir, layers, sir, we have one option by clicking, I don't remember, but it is in modify, we have one option, so that divide that wall into the segments, and by edit profile we can create multiple layers on that.
Okay. In LODs, there are several LODs. So what do you mean by LOD 500 and what is as-built drawings?
So LOD 500 is just named as build. So by the name, we can say that this is the final stage in a BIM procedure or the level of detailing. In this, we just have the constructed structure in LOD 500, and the second question is as build drawing. So as build drawings are other drawings which in which the drawings are built as so just a minute. As build means we constructed the drawings as per the schedule we have. So whatever we are making the changes during the construction, we made the changes in drawing during the execution of the project.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shivam. This was nice to talk with you. Good. Good try. देखिए अभी इम्प्रूवमेंट आ रहा है गाइस. जो लोग रेगुलर कर रहे हैं ना उनका इम्प्रूवमेंट अपने आप आता चला जा रहा है. कुछ लोग अपने से बोले रेडी हैं. तो सलमान जी रेडी हैं. सलमान ऑन योर माइक प्लीज.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning जी. Salman, where you want to see yourself in upcoming 3 years?
In upcoming 3 years, I want to say I want to be satisfied the work what I am doing in the industry, and with a good knowledge and with a good experience. I want to stay in the
There are
BIM industry.
there are several members for this job profile. Why should we choose you?
As I am suitable for the for this job, as I have skill sets which are required for this job position, and I have learned the various aspects and various softwares of the related to the BIM. So I'm applicable for this position.
Difference between record drawing and as-built drawings.
Difference between the record drawings and as-built drawing is record drawing is a drawing which is recorded during the construction phase, which are recorded and which are during the construction phase, and which are changes which are done during the construction phase as recorded in the recorded drawings. And as-built drawings are drawings which are which is done after the completion of the projects. That's the main difference between the record drawing and as-built drawing.
Okay. Mr. Salman, what do you mean by point cloud?
Point cloud is data which is recorded with the help of the laser scanning, and which is transferred for the analyzing in the scan to BIM data with the help of which we create the 3D models.
Oh, very nice. And what is the use of recap software?
Recap is the software which is used to analyze and work with the point cloud data, which is used for creating 3D modeling in the Revit file, which we use to transfer the data, which we use for visualization and work with the data, point cloud data.
Great. Thank you so much, Salman. Keep it up. Keep it.
Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you.
ओके जी. नाउ नेक्स्ट कमेंट आप लोगों की तरफ से आया हुआ है मिस्टर अभिजीत जी का. अभिजीत के बाद आया सुमन दास जी का. अभिजीत ऑन योर माइक प्लीज. अभिजीत रेडी? हेलो. माइक दोबारा ऑन है बट आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा. अभिजीत अभिजीत माइक चेक कर लो. चेक करते रहो तब तक मैं सुमन का मौका कर लेता हूँ. ठीक है सुमन जी. सुमन.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suman, in my company there is a 2-year bond. Are you comfortable to work with us with 2-year bonds?
Yes, sir. No issue, sir. Because I just newbie in this field, so I can start with this company.
Okay. So you don't have a problem for the 2-year bonds, right? Okay. And
Yes,
what? And if suppose I'm not going to do the bond with you, and how long you will stay in our company?
sir. When as long as I realize that I learn new things and I gain new knowledge to enhance my skill, then I will continue with this company. And when I realize that I am not as much as I not learn as my capability, so I can leave.
Okay. And what do you mean by different dimensions from 2D to 8D? Explain all the dimensions, Mr. Suman.
So there are 8 dimensions in BIM. So 1D for planning and 2D for drawing, 2D drawing, and 3D for modeling purpose, for creating a digital model, and 4D is for 4D is for time. 4D is for time, and in this 4D we are calculating the cost of a building and quantity takeoff, and 5D is for time. Sorry, 5D is for cost, sir, and 6D is for 6D is for, sir, building sustainability and energy efficiency, and 7D is for facility management, and 8D is for safety purpose.
Good. And explain all the LODs also.
Sir, LOD 100 is for basic design, and LOD 200 is for the schematic design, and LOD 300 is for detailed design, LOD 350 is for construction and documentation, and LOD 400 is for facility fabrication and assembly. In LOD 400 we create a model according to our related to site, and LOD 500 is for as build as site represent.
Okay. What's your salary expectations, Mr. Suman?
Sir, I have no salary expectation because I am new in this field. So sir, I just enhance my skill in BIM. So I have no salary expectation.
Okay, you don't have any salary expectation, right? Very good. And Mr. Suman, in Revit, you learn the family also or not now? Revit family.
Yes, sir, I have learned, but I forget something.
Okay. What is Revit family?
The Revit family are 2 types: parametric family and non-parametric family. And the parametric family is for is customizable or changeable, or all other parameters of this family. And the non-parametric family is not customized; it is default as a Revit or any other site.
Good. Thank you so much, Suman. अभी मंडे से अप्लाई करना सिखा देंगे, तो नेक्स्ट वीक से अप्लाई करना शुरू कर दो, ठीक है? सो दैट कि जल्दी से कहीं ना कहीं रिस्पांस आना शुरू हो जाए. इसमें ओपनिंग का बहुत अच्छा टाइम है, इसके बाद ओपनिंग्स कम हो जाएंगी, ठीक है? ओके, लीडिया, आप कुछ हैंड रेज किया आपने? You want to ask something?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Like when we say we don't have any salary expectations, so it won't look like we are not confident enough in our abilities, or we can say as per the market, something like that.
As a freshers, if there is answer, you can say कि salary is not my priority.
Okay.
Means we are not that much focused for the salary only. For the freshers, you can say कि salary is not my priority, and definitely I want to sustain myself, so you can provide as per the industry norms.
Okay.
So they will provide you. They just want to see the person, if you are the person a learner, and if you in your mind you have too much how much I can get, तो maybe उनका mindset हो सकता है कि यार he or she is the money minded person for now, because I'm going to teach them, so how can I offer them the bigger salary? Got it?
Yeah.
So it depends. So if you are experienced, you can say कि as per industry norms, definitely no problem.
Okay, thank you, sir.
This was for the freshers. Freshers can say कि like salary is not my priority for first.
Yeah.
First I want to sustain myself in the BIM industry. एक बार एंट्री हो गई उसके बाद तो आप मांगते ही हो, फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. So easily can get that. Okay, now मिस्टर अर्का भट्टाचार्य, अच्छा अर्का जी का हो गया ना मॉक. अच्छा वो मॉक आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी अर्का ना. अरे यार मेरा नेट कनेक्ट हो गया इसके. ओके ऑलराइट, वो माइक आवाज़ चला गया था नेट की वजह से. अर्का भट्टाचार्य ऑन यू माइक प्लीज. एंड संकेत. हाँ संकेत इसके बाद आपने. गुड मॉर्निंग जी. मिस्टर अर्का, हाउ मेनी लेक्चर्स यू वॉच इन रेविट?
16.
16 लेक्चर्स. ओके, आज एक लेक्चर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो what are the steps involved to do the project from RCP and RCS file format to complete Revit
RCP?
project? RCP and RCS file format means how to start your project from scan raw file to complete model. Complete steps.
First of all, I have to go to Revit, and then we have to link file and point cloud. Then we have to insert the specific uh, art- um, uh, RCP file in Revit. Then we have to um, specify the client requirement as they are willing to draw it, wanted it in center to center or orient to orient or shared coordinates method. Um, According to that, we have to select those options and list it. Then we have to close the scope box, and then we have to cut the section. Then open the recap, and according that scan document, matching recap files and the scan document, we have to draw in Revit. Uh, where we have to, if they are specifying wall quality and various wall type, uh, according to that, we have to match that portion.
Okay, just a minute. Arka, I think my one LAN tab is on. So just a minute, I'll just come back. आवाज आ रही है? अर्का आवाज आ रही है क्या? आई मेरा नेट डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा है, ठीक है, ओके ओके, लेट्स कंटिन्यू. सो मिस्टर अर्का, what used to be LOD 200 and LOD 300?
LOD 200 is basically belongs to the 2D dimensions,
Hmm.
where we can draw the 2D, and LOD 300 is basically 3D drawings with few detailing, like section, front view, etc.
Okay,
And
yes.
uh, and the rendering also.
Okay, what is rendering?
Rendering is a process by which we can present the full project in 3D aspect uh, with the help of different camera views.
Okay ji. uh, Mr. Arka, what's your selling expressions?
Because right now I am a fresher, so I am not. Is my salary expectation is not my mandatory thing. Right now I am wanted to join in BIM company.
Okay, थैंक यू सुपर सर का. अर्का, यहाँ पर ये नहीं बोलना है बिकॉज आई एम फ्रेशर, ठीक है? आप
Okay,
फ्रेशर हो बट आप बताओ मत, क्योंकि आपने इंटर्नशिप कर रखा है, ठीक है?
okay,
फिर आपका
okay,
पूरा
okay,
एक्सपीरियंस
okay,
खराब हो जाएगा. तो आप बस ये बोल सकते हैं, सेलिंग इज नॉट माई फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, आई जस्ट वांट टू एंटर माई सेल्फ इन बीम इंडस्ट्री एंड एज पर द इंडस्ट्री नॉर्म्स यू कैन ओवर अस.
okay.
ठीक है, तो फ्रेशर नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा. चलो कोई बात
हाँ.
नहीं, अच्छा गुड. नेक्स्ट इज क्या बोलते हैं, कौशिक. मिस्टर कौशिक, अभिजीत इसके बाद आप करेगा. कौशिक,
सर
हाँ जी, बोलो बोलो.
सर यहाँ पे जो हम फ्रेशर नहीं बोल सकते हो, क्योंकि इंटर्नशिप किया है, क्यों, और इंटर्नशिप कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस के बराबर होगा?
6 मंथ. इंटर्नशिप मीन्स 6 मंथ सुनो,
अच्छा.
ठीक है? तो हमने 6 मंथ किया तो हम फ्रेशर क्यों बोले थे?
और
फिर तो तुम उनके बराबर होगे जितने
अगर
बाहर
सर
पढ़े
कोई
हैं.
कंपनी में 1 साल का
अब बोलो.
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ,
अगर किसी कंपनी में एक्सपीरियंस मांगता है तो हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस मांगता है तो?
बिल्कुल अप्लाई कर सकते हो, ठीक है? 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस मांगता है तो अप्लाई कर सकते हो. बस उसमें कैसे 6 मंथ वैसे भी वैलिड होता है ना. देखो 6 मंथ तक का एक्सपीरियंस दैट इज वैलिड. अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस 6 मंथ से कम हो तो वैलिड नहीं माना जाता, ठीक है? तो आप बिल्कुल 1 ईयर नहीं, 2 ईयर की भी एक्सपीरियंस की जॉब है तो भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, ठीक? चलो कौशिक जी, रेडी?
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग. इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ मिस्टर कौशिक.
So my name is Kaushik Bhattacharya, and I am from Murshidabad, Berhampur, and my BTech. I have completed my BTech from Bengal Institute of Technology and Management, Santiniketan, Bolpur, and thereafter I have doing some side job, and last I am preparing for BIM technology in the guidance of Akash sir from the Unix Civil as an internship, sir.
Okay,
And I'm willing to work in BIM field.
okay. Any previous experience you have?
Yes, sir. I have experience. It's about 3 years in site engineering, mainly in highway engineering and as a concrete engineer and a highway engineer.
Concrete engineer and highway engineer. Okay. How your previous experience is useful for us as a BIM company?
I think the concept uses in BIM, but not that particular experience used in BIM. But we have a great exposure of work. We had a great exposure of work that can benefit us and in our organization, to our organization.
Okay. You can say like as I have a professional experience, how to manage the team, how to follow the rules of the managers, how to work in a company that all the skills I have, I think that is useful for our next organizations. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
so that हम लोग, क्योंकि हम जब ऑफिस जाते हैं तो we learn ना कि how to work in a company, how to follow the rules and regulations. So these are the things that we already learn. So these are the skills I will be like, ये skill है, these are the skills कि मैनेजर को कैसे मेल करना है, ये skills है. ठीक है, so we apply that.
To deal with the client.
Yes, interact with the client, how to interact with the client, how to get the follow-ups, how to manage the team. ठीक है, because I just manage on the side, so how to manage the team. These are the very big skills. हम इसको जानते हैं, इसको हम प्रेशर नहीं बोलेंगे. ठीक है, okay. What is BIM?
So BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. It's the complete details about a building from the greenfield project to the final finished project.
Okay.
And with all other the essential data.
Difference between LOI and LOD.
So LOI stands for level of information, and LOD is level of detailing. And the information gathered from the site, it's called LOI, and it varies upon the different levels. And LOD is it's about the detailing in the different level. And LOI and LOD is like a both side of like a side of coins. We all need to the both information and the detailing.
What is BEP?
BEP stands for building execution plan.
Okay.
As we execute the building, how to look, how the aesthetic looks, and how the proper planning we can do in our proper project, in our particular project. That is, I think that is building BEP.
Okay.
Building executive plan.
Thank you so much, Kaushik, but थोड़ा पढ़ लेना, ये वाला जनसा गलत है.
ठीक है सर.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Abhijit. Abhijit?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, am I visible?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So, Mr. Abhijit, what is BEP?
Sir, BEP stands for BIM execution plan, in which we basically outline the project parameters from the very conceptual stages, that in which direction the project should proceed, regarding the practicality, like the documentation production, the generation of the drawings, and the model creation, and the collaboration factors.
Very good. And what is COBI?
So COBI, its full form is Construction Operations Building Information Exchange. So it is a data exchange format which helps the stakeholders for effective collaboration and to stay on a single page regarding the digital 3D model or the BIM model.
Good. And what do you mean by federated model?
So a federated model is a combined 3D model or a combined BIM model in which different disciplines are integrated into the single model, like the architecture, structure, MEP. And for further collaboration, we can then use the Navisworks tool or software.
Good. Where you want to see yourself in upcoming 5 years, Mr. Abhijit?
Sir, in the next upcoming 5 years, I must be very satisfied with my work, and I want to be a good professional in the BIM industry, so that I can help not only myself but also the organization in the best way possible.
Any dream companies in your mind?
Sir, I have no specific dream company, but as a industry beginner, I want to be in any company that fulfills my dream of becoming a best BIM professional.
Good. Very good. Thank you so much, Abhijit. काफी अच्छा interview दे रहे हो. Very good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now next is Mr. Neil Kamal. अनूप, तुम्हारा रह गया क्या? तुम हैंड रेस कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा बचा है क्या? हाँ, संकेत का है, संकेत का अगला है, बट नील का अनूप तुम्हारा रह गया है क्या?
नहीं सर, एक क्वेश्चन है सर.
पूछो.
जैसे सपोज कीजिए किसी कंपनी में वैकेंसी निकला हुआ है, उसमें फॉर्म फिलअप करने पे पूछ रहा था सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है?
सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस बता. देखो कि कंपनी कितनी बड़ी है. वो कंपनी अगर बहुत छोटे स्केल की है, उसके ऑफिसेस एक आध ऑफिस ही है, तो डाल दो कि 15 to 20। अगर तुम देख रहे हो कि उसके 2-3 ब्रांचेज हैं तो तुम डाल दो 20 to 25, बिटवीन 20 to 25। अब इसको ईयर वाइज देख लेना, ठीक है। और अगर वो कंपनी बहुत बड़ी है तो क्या बोलते हैं, मोर देन 25 या मोर देन 3 lakhs।
लेकिन तो सर मैं एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन हूँ, तो अभी तो 3 लाख के आसपास तो अभी मिलता ही है मेरे को।
बात वो नहीं होती है, जैसे कि तुम बीम की कंपनी में नहीं हो ना, ठीक है, तुम बीम की कंपनी में, ठीक है। तुम जो 3 लाख पा रहे हो, अगला अप्रेजल तो तुम्हारा होगा 1000-2000 रुपये का होगा, ठीक है। और जो बीम की कंपनी में 20,000 पा रहा होगा ना, उसका जो अगला जंप होगा 30,000 होगा, वो सिर्फ 6 महीने 7 महीने के अंदर। तो बीम की स्पीड फास्ट होगी। एक बार ट्रेन में बैठो, ठीक है, तो ट्रेन में बैठते समय अगर सिलेक्शन लेना है तो, क्योंकि अभी तुम उस इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फैमिलियर नहीं हो ना उस इंडस्ट्री से, तो तुम्हें थोड़ा सा बैक गियर लगाना पड़ सकता है, ठीक है। लेकिन वो बैक गियर जो अगला गियर लगाओगे वो बहुत तगड़े स्पीड से जाएगा।
सर और जो बॉन्ड का क्वेश्चन था,
हाँ,
उसमें क्या मतलब बोलना सही रहेगा?
लास्ट में बताऊंगा, बैठो, ठीक है। हाँ, मिस्टर नीलकमल रेडी? ठीक है, मे बी नॉट रेडी नाउ, सो वेलकम विद संकेत।
यस सर।
सो संकेत के बाद पुष्कर जी आपका इसके बाद है, ठीक है। तो मिस्टर संकेत, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन शॉर्ट।
Yes, sir. So myself, Sai Sanket Varad. I am from Gurukul, Karnataka. I have completed my BE in Civil in 2021 from Pehle Technological University, and currently I am pursuing BIM professional course from Unix Civil, where we learn a lot of BIM related software such as AutoCAD, Revit, Naviswork, and Recap, etc. Where and also we also have hands-on experience on live projects where we work on residential projects, commercial projects, and many more. And my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. And my strengths are that I can adapt to any given situation and deliver the results in the required amount of time. And my weakness is sometimes the extreme concentration on detail can slow down the process.
Okay. Now, Mr. Sanket, you pass out here?
2021, sir.
2021. From there to till now, what are the things you done?
Sir, I was preparing for civil services exam, and I give my full time to that, so that I can get the result. But unfortunately, I was not able to succeed in that. So I thought that I shouldn't waste more time in that, and I should concentrate on my career. And so I decided to shift towards BIM because I am interested in technical aspects, and I am very tech oriented, and this helps me to fulfill my dreams.
What is the use of laser scanner and what is the use of scan to BIM?
Yes, sir. Laser scanning is a process of scanning the property and making sure that all the details are recorded in a very precise manner. Which cannot be done manually. The laser scanning can be done with more precision, and it can be set up in a file format in point cloud data, and that point cloud data can be used in scan to BIM process. Scan to BIM process is a process where we use the point cloud data to build a BIM model. In a BIM model where we make detailed 3D modeling, and using all the required information and all the data we have from point cloud data, we make a detailed 3D model which reflects the actual construction.
Good. Mr. Sanket, why should we hire you?
Yes, and as the job description suggests, I have all the required skill set required for the job role, and I can deliver the results which are needed in the designated amount of time.
Very good. Thank you so much, Sanket. अभी अब पोर्टफोलियो बन गया या फिर अभी बन रहा है?
बन रहा है सर अभी.
मंडे तक कर लो दोस्त, क्योंकि क्या होगा ना, मंडे से हम लोग अप्लाई करना सीखेंगे, ठीक है, और उसमें वही विनर होगा जो सुबह से अप्लाई करना शुरू कर देगा, तो टू फास्ट। चलो नाउ मिस्टर पुष्कर।
Yes, sir.
पुष्कर, पुष्कर यू पास आउट ईयर?
Sir, last year 2024.
Okay, like in which area you want to do the job? Means Pune, Bangalore, where you want to do the job?
Sir, basically I am from Maharashtra, so I want the job location in Pune or Mumbai itself.
Okay, so in Pune or in Mumbai, any company's name? What are the companies you know in which is working in the BIM?
Yes, sir. I know the company called V Construct in Pune, and as well as some MNCs like L&T, Lodha Group. So,
These are the one, right? Any
yes.
dream companies in your mind?
So basically, as I want to start my career in BIM, so currently my dream company is V Construct, and then after, if I improve myself in a better way, so I can plan to move other cities like Singapore and other stuff. Like I don't remember the company's name, but I find some company like on the turnover basis. I can't remember the name right now, sir.
Okay, but you just always try कि don't say any dream company's name. Otherwise, if you are doing the interview in another company, so they feel like कि if your dream company is that one, definitely you will left after few months.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so how long you will stay in a company, Mr. Pushkar?
Sir, my plan is to not to resign quickly, and I want to start my career in BIM. So I want to deliver some successful project and several projects and multiple projects in your company, so that I can improve myself as well as the company had some benefit through it. And I want to make sure that in upcoming years I am able to be at higher position in your same company. I don't have any plan to resign.
Okay, but you just said कि you have a plan to go in Singapore then.
So ट्रैप हो गया सर.
ऐसे तो इसका ना पहले से क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं रखोगे ना, उस समय कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा निकल जाएगा मुंह से कि जिससे आप फंस जाओ, ऐसा
हाँ
होता
सर.
है, ठीक है, तो इनके आंसर्स को पहले से अस्थायी रूप से सेट कर लो, ठीक है। आगे में बहुत से माध्यम है, मैं खुद आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, ये भी एक माध्यम है, इससे पूछ लो, सारे लोगों को क्वेश्चन मिला लोगे ना तो हर एक इंटरव्यू क्रैक हो जाएगा, ऐसे एक मॉक से इंटरव्यू क्रैक हो जाएगा, फिक्स है। इसके अलावा गूगल आपके पास है, HR कितने टेक्निक से क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, सारे टेक्निक के क्वेश्चन उठा लो और उनके आंसर्स अपने वर्ड में लिख कर रखो, सो दैट
हाँ.
यू कैन लाइक बी कि यार मुझे फंसना नहीं है, मेरे पास हर चीज़ का एक आंसर है। तो ये ऐसे ही है जैसे कि टीवी में कुछ एंकर होते हैं जो थोड़े से कम पढ़े लिखे होते हैं, फंस जाते हैं, और कुछ होते हैं जो पूरा होमवर्क करके आते हैं, पूछो जहाँ से पूछना है, तो वो कैसे होता है, बेहतर परफॉर्म कर पाते हैं। वेल,
Yes.
ओके मिस्टर पुष्कर, what are the software skills you have?
Software skills.
Yeah.
So basically, I have basic knowledge, advanced knowledge of Autodesk, AutoCAD, and then after that Revit, Autodesk Revit, Revit architecture. I'm not started at Revit structure, but I know some basics of Enscape, basics of V-Ray, and I'm currently using Twinmotion software as for rendering, and as well as I have knowledge of other softwares like MS Office.
Great.
That's it.
थैंक यू सो मच पुष्कर, कीप कंटिन्यू, पोर्टफोलियो को रेडी रखो, मंडे से अप्लाई करना शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है।
Yes, sir. Yes.
ओके, नाउ मिस्टर अंसारी, कोई रह गया क्या इस मॉक के लिए? ड्रॉप द मैसेज प्लीज। देवेंद्र शर्मा, आपने अभी तक मैसेज नहीं किया कि मैं रह गया हूँ, और अंसारी आपने भी मैसेज नहीं किया अभी तक।
यस सर, मैं रह गया हूँ लेकिन सर का कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है। अभी सर मेरा गैप हुआ था ना, बताया था मैंने।
ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे कि चलो प्रिपेयर नहीं हो, ठीक है, वो एक अलग चीज़ है, बट अपन ट्राई करेंगे, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, तो ट्राई क्या करेंगे, कल का टेस्ट सेम जहाँ तक है इसी टाइम पर रहेगा, सेम टाइम पर 2 आवर्स का रहेगा। बेसिकली आपको एक ड्राइंग मिलेगी, वो ड्राइंग को आपको जस्ट फिनिश करना रहेगा, ठीक है। तो फिनिश करके आप मेल कर देंगे, हो सकता है जैसे गूगल मीट पे ही होगा, ठीक है। बस आपको ड्राइंग को लेना है और कंप्लीट कर देना है, ठीक है। चलिए, तो मिस्टर अंसारी, जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ansari Mohammed Shadan. I am completing my BE in AIKTC College, Anjuman Islam Kalsika Technical Campus in Navi Mumbai, and I am currently doing a BIM professional course. In this course, I have learned AutoCAD, Revit architecture, Revit structure, MEP, Navisworks, BIM 360 software. I am working on lots of many projects, residential, commercial, and hotel projects.
Okay.
That's my.
So, what are the things till now you learn in Revit?
Currently, I am learning how to render and how to make portfolio because I am lacking that situation, and mostly I am confusing in landscaping, so how to do landscaping, and I try to render and making structure more aesthetic look and more appealing.
Okay.
So I'm trying to.
You update your scan to BIM?
Yes, I'm doing right now scan to BIM. Follow all the classes, all the lectures, and up to the जहाँ तक कि अभी तक.
How to insert scan to BIM file in Revit?
Yes.
How to insert?
There is an option in insert cloud point or two option in that we insert a file. इसमें सर अपने को लोकेशन बताना है ऐसा कि अच्छा अभी तो सर तो याद नहीं है, अगर डेस्कटॉप खुला था तो मैं हो सकता है, लेकिन अभी तो नहीं।
देखो, जैसे कि तुम्हारी जब प्रैक्टिस किसी चीज़ की ज़्यादा हो जाती है ना, तो वो चीज़ें तुम्हारे आँख के सामने चलने लगेंगी, ठीक है। तो हम वही चाहते हैं कि जब स्कैन टू बी फाइल की बात हो तो कैसे इंपोर्ट करना है, आपके साथ साथ देखिए कैट टू बी एम की बात हो कैसे कैसे करना है, तुम्हारे आँख के सामने वो विजिबिलिटी बननी चाहिए। रेविट में पूछा जाए कि सेक्शन कैसे कट करना, तुम्हारे आँख के सामने वो सेक्शन आ जाए, अच्छा यहाँ तो है, ठीक है। इसका मतलब तुमने उसको सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में सेट कर दिया है, वहीं पहुँचना है, ठीक है। चलो जी, नो नेक्स्ट ओके नो शो, बस अब हर मॉक को इंटरव्यू दो, ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, ओके। ओके जी, नाउ मिस्टर देवेंद्र शर्मा।
हेलो सर।
हेलो, रेडी देवेंद्र शर्मा?
यस सर।
ओके, मिस्टर देवेंद्र, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Devendra Sharma. I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I did my graduation in last year in BE Civil Engineering from Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, State Gandhinagar, Bhopal. And after that, I interned at SMD and Digital Testing Laboratory, where I learned tools like WaterZen, AutoCAD, AutoPlotter, Google Maps, etc. And currently I am pursuing BIM professional course from Unique Civil, where I learned softwares like AutoCAD, Revit architecture, Revit structures, Navisworks, Tekla, etc.
Okay. You just completed your degree last year from the Shahzad College, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is a teacher, Kapil, something Kapil. He was there in that college, in civil department.
Sir, I don't understand.
Okay. Okay. What are the subjects in your last semester?
Last semester.
And what was your project in college? project means which project you done?
जी सर,
Yes.
प्रोजेक्ट वर्क किया था सर। प्रोजेक्ट मेरा सॉफ्टवेयर से रिलेटेड था, लेकिन मैं एग्जैक्टली पॉइंट आउट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ सर, क्या है।
कम से कम 2021 तक के पास आउट के लोगों को पता होना चाहिए हमने अपने कॉलेज में किया क्या प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है। अगर नहीं है, इससे ये पता चलता है कि हम कॉलेज में क्या कर रहे थे। इसलिए दिस क्वेश्चन इज फिक्स फॉर एवरी बिगनर्स। जो भी कॉलेज पास आउट है उसके बाद अगर जॉब नहीं किए हैं तो एक कंपनी कैन आस्क विथ यू कि व्हाट वाज योर सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट वाज योर लाइक सॉफ्टवेयर you just done in your college. Okay, no issue. What are the technical skills you have?
Sir,
what are the technical skills you have?
Sir, I have knowledge about various AutoCAD, Revit, Inkscape, and WaterGem, and various softwares.
Okay. Why should we hire you, question?
Because sir, I keen to learn new things, and I